If you're ready to do math today and you have your coffee ready, join me in the simultaneous sip. The question we're working on today is, let f of x equal the square root of x. Find a number delta such that if the absolute value of x minus 4 is less than delta, then the absolute value of the square root of x minus 2 is less than 0.4. So we want the absolute value of the square root of x minus 2 to be less than 0.4, which is to say that negative 0.4 is less than the square root of x minus 2, which is less than 0.4. And we want to figure out which values of x will guarantee this to happen. So let's add 2 to each part of the inequality. And we see that 1.6 is less than square root of x, which is less than 2.4. And so now I used Desmos to graph the line y equals 1.6, the curve y equals the square root of x, and the line y equals 2.4, and found where the lines and curves intersected. So the green line and the red curve intersect at x equals 2.5, and that's our lower bound. And the purple line and the red curve intersect when x equals 5.76, and that's our upper bound. So we need x to lie between those two values in order for the absolute value of the square root of x minus 2 to be less than 0.4. So let's subtract 4 from each term so we could get an inequality that looks like what we want to end with. And we have negative 1.44 is less than or equal to x minus 4, which is less than 1.76, which is to say the absolute value of x minus 4 is less than the smaller of the two numbers. Make sure to subscribe for more Coffee and Math with Dr. Wesselcouch. Don't text and drive. Bye-bye.